Okay, I got a new package. It's a big one. It says car DVR, and I know what it is. It's a DVR, Autobot DVR, and I ordered 2 present for my friends, because I have another one. Okay, I don't need that. Let's see. It's really well packed, so it's safe to ship it overseas. Oh. Again, we don't need that. That's a lot of bubbles. And here we go. It's Autobot E. I think it's a new version because I have the old one, I believe. Hold on a second. Let me see. So yeah, this is Autobot I, which I have. This is Autobot E. I believe it's a new one. Sony. Yeah, it's a newer sensor. This is Sony EMX323. This one is 322. So should be better than the old one, and the box is smaller. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ugh. Oh, it's different than the previous one. See the previous one how it was? This is different, but it looks the same. Nothing different from outside. Looks the same. And the same thing inside. That's it.